Honorable Chief Guest, respected teacher guest, and my dear friend, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to thank Almighty Allah for giving me tawfiq to be here with you, and I also thank our honorable teacher for giving me chance to say something before you. Today, I am very grateful for to Maulana Arifur Rahman Hafizahullah because he organized this program. And Maulana Arifur Rahman want what is best for us. I love him a lot because he always caring for us. I'm proud of to be a student of Maulana Arifur Rahman Hafizahullah. Well, dear friends, today I will talk about one of the most beautiful culture of Islam. It's called Salam. The word Salam means peace. When Muslims meet each other, they say Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. The reply is Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah, which means peace be upon you too. Salam is not only a greeting, it's also a prayer. When we say salam, we ask Allah to give peace, mercy, and blessing to other person. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam always encouraged Muslims to speak salam. He said that saying salam increases love among people. Salam has many benefits. It makes our hearts soft and friendly. It removes anger, hatred, and pride. It helps us to stay as a brothers and sisters. If we start talk with salam, the talk becomes full of peace. As a Muslim, we should make salam a part of our daily life. We should greet our parents, friends, teachers, neighbors with salam. The saying salam which I smile spread every happiness everywhere. Salam is a gift of Islam and key to peace in the world. I would like to finish my speech here. So thank you very much for listening and waiting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.